Meaning of development area.
Development area.
Development area.
Development area.
Development area. The term development area generally refers to a designated region or zone that is undergoing planned economic and social growth. These areas are often identified by governments or international organizations as having potential for development and improvement. Development areas can focus on multiple sectors such as agriculture, infrastructure, and industry, and may involve investments in education, healthcare, and other social services. Ultimately, the goal of development areas is to create sustainable growth and prosperity for the region and its inhabitants, while addressing issues such as poverty, inequality, and environmental degradation.